Hi everyone, this is Sahara from Hoblet Family Goods. I know that some of you were interested in seeing the grab bag that I ordered from the lettering box, and it came in today. I'm really excited to share it with you, and let's get started. I'm just going to cut it open, and hopefully I don't cut anything on the inside. Okay, good. Looks like we're good. Let's see. Cute. Looks like we have some note cards. Oh, they're postcards. Let's see if you can see that. There's this one. Really cute postcards. And you can fill them in and color them on the back. So you can see the little note on the front. It's having a hard time focusing. There. So we got these two note cards. Really cute. And awesome. So we have the 05 and 08, the Sakura Pigma Micron pens. These are fine liners, really good for illustrations. You can even do some faux calligraphy with them. They're just a great all-around pen, and they're also waterproof and fade proof, so if you're using them with multiple different medias like watercolor and such, they won't bleed. And these are the ones that I was most excited to try. I know probably a lot of you you're familiar with these, or you've seen them a lot on Instagram, but these are the Ecoline concentrated formula brilliant color brush pens, and the colors that I picked were the indigo and mahogany. So let's see if you can see that in the lens. There. So that's the two colors that I picked. With the grab bag, there were two different sets that you could have chose from. I think the other set was either aqua and some other color. Oh, there's one more. That's awesome. I wasn't expecting two. I was expecting to get just a set of two, but it looks like we got four, which is even better. So when initially I got these, when I ordered them, I thought I only ordered the set of these two colors, but apparently I got all four, which is great because I love all four colors. There's a turquoise green and the apricot, and these are brush pens. So they have a flexible tip, and these are great for lettering and coloring. What else did we get? I'm so excited. This totally exceeded my expectations because I saw on the website when I ordered just a couple of things, and it looks like I got more than what they showed. These are actually one of the second things that I was looking forward to getting. It's hard to read on the back because it's written in, I don't know if that's Chinese or Japanese. Oh, Japanese, yeah. But these are watercolor, but they're metallic. And I know I use iPad lettering and I do a lot of things on Procreate, but the only thing with doing things digitally all the time is that you can't really get metallic effects unless you do a lot of different tricks and stuff. Sometimes you just want to use good old-fashioned watercolor and keep it really simple, and that's what I love about this grab bag, is it's just really simple but awesome basics. And the 2 watercolors came with 2 brushes. One is like a, see that there? One is a slant tip, and one is like a fine tip. And the last thing is the gel pens, or these are called Kawache pens by Flowers. They're white. So what's great about these is they're like a normal pen, but the white ink is great for highlighting when you're lettering. It's great for also using on black paper or on top of dark text. And I can't wait to try those. So here's everything that I got. If you guys aren't already familiar with Lettering Box, I would highly recommend checking them out, especially if you're into hand lettering or using different types of media. They have a subscription box, and sometimes, like with the grab bag that I got, they'll have a promo where you can get some of the things that they include in their subscription box. And so go check them out. They're on Instagram, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and check us out on Instagram and on Zazzle and Etsy. It's Hobble